Music production in 2025 has never been more accessible, thanks to MIDI keyboards. Whether you're composing, recording, or performing live, the right controller can unlock creativity and streamline your workflow. Today, we're reviewing the best MIDI keyboards of 2025, from compact 25-key controllers to full-size studio-grade keyboards. We'll cover features, usability, and compatibility, so you know which one will fit your studio setup. First up is the Novation Launchkey 61 MK4, a 61-key semi-weighted MIDI controller. It comes with USB connectivity, full DAW integration, chord and scale modes, 8 drum pads, and an arpeggiator. This controller is ideal for both beginners and pros, offering responsive keys and intuitive controls. The included software bundle makes it easy to get started producing music right away. In real-world testing, the Launchkey 61 MK4 felt smooth and expressive, perfect for live playing and studio production. Its DAW integration saves time, and the arpeggiator and drum pads add flexibility for complex arrangements. If you want a full-featured 61-key MIDI controller for serious production, the Novation Launchkey 61 MK4 is a top pick. Check the description below for the link. Next, the Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3 is a 25-key USB MIDI controller, perfect for producers on the go. It features 8 backlit drum pads, 8 knobs, and comes with music production software and native instrument sound package. Its compact size makes it perfect for desktop setups or mobile production, while the drum pads and knobs offer plenty of control over virtual instruments and samples. In real-world testing, the MPK Mini MK3 was surprisingly powerful for its size, with responsive keys and well-mapped controls. Ideal for beatmaking, sequencing, and composing on the move. For a compact, portable, and versatile MIDI keyboard, the Akai MPK Mini MK3 is perfect. Check the description below for the link. If you need a slightly larger controller, the Akai MPK Mini Plus offers 37 mini keys, 8 MPC pads, sequencer, and MIDI/CV/gate I/O for connecting external synths. It also comes with music production software and native instrument sound package. This controller is ideal for producers who want more keys and connectivity options while still maintaining portability. The pads are responsive, and the sequencer adds creative flexibility. In testing, the MPK Mini Plus was perfect for producing beats, controlling synths, and sequencing tracks, all from a compact form factor. If you want expanded capabilities with 37 keys and a sequencer, the Akai MPK Mini Plus is a fantastic choice. Check the description below for the link. The Novation Launchkey Mini 37 MK4 is a 37 mini-key controller designed for mobile production. It has chord mode, scale mode, drum pads, and an arpeggiator with full DAW integration. The included software bundle ensures you can start creating music immediately. Its portable design makes it perfect for small desks or for taking to gigs, while the keys and pads are responsive enough for expressive playing. During real-world testing, the Launchkey Mini 37 MK4 handled beat-making, melody composition, and live performance smoothly, proving that small form factor doesn't mean limited functionality. If you need a portable MIDI controller for on-the-go production, the Novation Launchkey Mini 37 MK4 is a great option. Check the description below for the link. Finally, the Native Instruments S-Series Complete Control S88 is a full-size 88-key studio-grade MIDI keyboard. It offers weighted keys, deep DAW integration, and full access to Native Instruments software. This keyboard is ideal for professional studio production, giving you the feel of a real piano with complete MIDI control. It's perfect for composing, recording, and advanced production workflows. In testing, the S88 excelled in expressive performance, tactile control, and integration with software instruments, making it a top choice for serious producers. For professional studio production and full-size weighted keys, the Native Instruments S88 is the ultimate choice. Check the description below for the link. No matter your setup or workflow, there's a MIDI keyboard for every producer in 2025. Check the description below for links to all these keyboards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd use in your studio.